Welcome to the Pharma Voice Editor's Take video series, filmed live at the 2012 DIA Annual Meeting in Philadelphia. Hosted by Taryn Grome, editor of Pharma Voice. In this session, Taryn meets with Nagaraja Srivatsan, Senior VP and Head of Life Sciences, North America, Cognizant.
Srivatsan, welcome to the 2012 DIA Annual Conference Editor's Take video program.
Thank you, Taryn. Pleasure to be here.
Excellent. Now, talk to us a little bit why companies need to rethink complex operational challenges. We know there's a lot of disruption in the marketplace, so could you talk to us a little bit about that?
Absolutely. The industry is under tremendous transformational pressure. Why? Because we're now going into economic-based outcomes models. Pharma industry is going away from just a pill-based model to a pill and service model. This transformation is leading us towards personalized medicine, better externalization and collaboration, globalization, and the advent of information to make better outcomes.
That's very true. Now, what does it take to increase flexibility, lower costs, and reduce time to market for companies?
One needs to focus on outcomes. So let's take the clinical process. Today, it takes 1,000 days to, let's say, do a phase 3 trial. The companies need to really look at how do I go from 1,000 days to 600 days to 500 days, continuing to drive what we call operational efficiency. But as we do that, it's not alone good enough to just do 10 trials which take 1,000 days to do 10 trials which take now 500 days. We got to increase the probability of success. Today, 2 out of 10 trials may be successfully launched in the marketplace. How do we increase that trials such that we do 5 trials but still get the 2 to be successful? The use of information in a very strategic manner early on in the process can make sure that we deliver better economic outcomes and therefore drive better operational transformation.
Those insights are terrific and they're so applicable to today's marketplace. So how can companies best translate emerging technologies into business opportunities?
Absolutely. At Cognizant, we always say that you have to think about your business in 3 models. First, you have to rethink what you're doing with your business model. Are you having the right operational model where you're looking at core activities, what you're doing, and context activities which you need to outsource and do better? Second, you need to reinvent yourself. You really need to know which process, which model which you need to be adopting to deliver. And finally, you have to rewire your infrastructure. We call it rewiring our infrastructure using the SMAC stack, using social media, mobility, analytics, and the cloud to really look at every aspect of your operation and saying, what can I do to transform those operations?
I think that SMAC stack is the first time I've heard that, so thank you for bringing something new to the program.
Thank you.
Additional Editor's Take videos, as well as podcasts, white papers, webinars, and more, are available in the resources area at www.pharmavoice.com.